This is item number 10859 with M&M Equipment Corp. This is a Reiser Rotoclaw 2 frozen meat flaker. It's all stainless steel construction. Has a built-in loader that requires 80 psi. This unit handles frozen blocks up to 9.5 inches by 21 inches. This has a capacity up to 10,000 pounds per hour. Running off of a 7.5 horsepower motor. Wired for 220 volts, 3-phase. So we have a reverse and forward function. I'll show you the reverse. You'd use that in case anything gets jammed up. And your forward function. Stop. Again, this is item number 10859 with M&M Equipment Corp. This machine has recently been refurbished and ready to ship.